Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Namecheap VPS. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your website and then purchase the VPS plan and then log into the Namecheap account, navigate to the VPS management dashboard, and then you can follow the prompts to configure your VPS, including selecting the operating system and additional features, and use SSH to access your VPS remotely. You'll need the IP address, username, and password provided by Namecheap. And once connected via SSH, you can install the necessary software applications on your VPS using command line tools. And then you can set up firewalls, SSH keys, authentication, and other security measures to protect your VPS, and upload your website files or application to the VPS. This can be done using SCP, secure copy, or SFTP, SSH file transfer protocol, or through Git. And use the VPS management dashboard to monitor performance and manage resources and perform tasks like reboots or snapshots, and then regularly back up your data and perform maintenance tasks to ensure smooth operation. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for